It's June 30, 2026. It is the last day of June. So magre-report na naman tayo kung magkano ba yung kinita natin for the whole month. Ito guys, about ito nakikita nyo dyan sa screen is about sa pursuit of happiness. So movie siya na inspirational about never give up and always follow the dream. Nakita nyo, nakakayak tong movie na to. All about Will Smith and his biological son. Nagninegosyo siya sa buy and seller ng parang medical supplies ng buto, pero hindi siya nag-boom doon. Hanggang naubos na niya yung stocks niya, naubos yung savings, iniwan siya ng asawa niya, pero siya patuloy lang sa buhay na never give up. Alam nyo guys, kinain niya lahat, all the sufferings, the pride. Pero mo natulog sila sa CR habang may kumakatutusan, hindi niya mabuksan kasi nga natutulog yung anak niya, wala na siya pera dahil boss niya yung nangihingi ng barya. Naibigay niya yung barya na yun na lang talaga yung katiting na pera niya, pero binigay pa rin niya because hindi yes of that person. Then one day, tinanggap siya, nakuha niya yung client, and everything went down to go up. Wala ka na kasing ibang pupuntahan. Pag nasa baba ka na, nandun ka na sa pinakababa, wala ka nang ibang pupuntahan kundi umakyat na lang. And that's the best time to improve yourself, to prosper. Doon sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, you need to watch this guys, and promise guys, it's very worth of your time. But anyway guys, let's transfer sa screen natin. Union Bank natin. Ayan, so magkano ba yung pumasok? So view all transactions. So start tayo ng June, nag-withdraw tayo agad. So transfer to pay. So ito yung first deposit natin, June 6, 34,150, 36,470, 39,370, 38,659, 34,022. Tapos yung second is June 16 guys, 29,541, 28,396, 34,411, 27,247. That's the second deposit. Then let's total it. Ito yung total natin guys, diba? So if you don't stop learning guys, if you don't stop trading, if you don't stop on whatever it is, so kung kahit saan pa yan guys, kahit saan anong klase pang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, if you don't stop improving yourself, so that's the time you will have prosperity in life. So hindi ko sinabi to dahil naisip ko lang, sinabi ko kasi to dahil naramdaman ko na siya. Masarap yung pakiramdam na yung pinaghirapan mo is napalitan na ng gantimpala. So everything na meron kang suffering sa buhay, make it sure na you have a experience to that kind of situation. Don't always think about inaano lang kayo ng tadhana, pinaglulugmukan kayo, idinadown lang kayo. Make it an inspiration to live yours, to make improvement in your life. Hoping ako guys na makasali kayo dito sa aming Primeverse. It is a educational platform and it's free guys. You just need to use our broker. And always telling you guys na pag sinimulan mo na ngayon at hindi ka titigil sa mga bagay-bagay, maski yan pa yan, not only on trading, even on other industry na to, if you never stop, promise guys, someday ma-accumulate mo lahat ng experience, educational, and all your knowledge about trading. Promise magiging worth it lahat yun. So ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yun, it's much better to keep that hope na para hindi kayo ma-demoralize while you're learning this aircraft. Pero anyway guys, hanggang dito na lang ang video na to, and hoping na maging successful din kayo sa trading journey nyo. And I'm always telling this guys na if you don't stop learning and always accumulate knowledge and trust the process, someday kung anong meron kami magkakaroon